Natalie always asks me, do I snore? Natalie asks if she snores. Then when I tell her, she don't believe me. She snores when she's very tired, then it goes away. I, of course, never snore. It's more like a purr. It's more like a. I don't snore. Tell the people the truth.
Jy
I
snor.
purr. Moet jy ongeskik is nou hier so in Ligie. Ons is in Dubai. Can't lie in this country. We must go. We go. I purr. Natalie, tell the people where my show is. It's Friday. And today is Thursday. It's tomorrow night at the Roxy Theatre. Dubai Comedy Festival. Tickets at www.alfredadrian.com. Make it happen.